Find out about making money online here. Millions of people across the globe find themselves struggling financially or simply wanting to be their own boss. Some people, however, don't know how to get themselves out of the hole they are in. It involves earning money online. This video is going to teach you the basics of making money online. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money, as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. There are many opportunities for online tutors in subjects ranging from mathematics to language. Possible students are many and varied. You might teach your native language to people living in other countries via VoIP. Another possibility is to tutor school children, high schoolers or college students in a subject in which you specialize. You can work with an online tutoring agency or set up your own website to begin. Do you love to take photographs? If so, you can put those photographs online and begin making money. There are many websites that offer pay for your stunning photographs. Companies want beautiful photographs for brochures, pamphlets, and websites. Therefore, you can sell the rights to companies for use of your photographs. As you can see, making money online is truly possible. You are well off on your journey right when you started watching this video. Others are already doing it, and so you are able to as well. Continue your self-education on the subject, and you'll soon be making money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.